Hey guys, this is my racing lawnmower. Yeah, I did a little bit of work to it. I welded the axle, I guess you can call it, right there. See it? Welded. I was welding it before with the miller. I did a straight pipe. Oh, I did one pipe. Not to do the other one. I changed the hose line, fuel line. I have to disconnect the governor here, so I'll do that. And I have to start working on the axle, and I mean the transmission. Change the pulleys, get a good gear ratio. Get it ready for the racing, you know, stabilize and stuff. Oh yeah, and I could start it for you guys. There we go. Put that one. Turn the key on. So there it is. It's an 18 horsepower twin, yeah. And yeah, that's it. So I'll get you guys updated when I'm done the pulleys and stuff. All right.